down there by Los Angeles.
There you go. Snowstorm!
Is down, there's that long one down in International.
It's the great snowstorm.
Well, one is down by like C8 on the concourse.
Yeah, that's it. First up there, 1 and 2.
Metro is an official mess. Side window there.
Today in North Terminal history.
Today in North Terminal history, we try not to hit the guy on the bag tug as he plows.
And he's doing a mighty shitty job of plowing at top of it. He must be new. It is pretty crappy.
Christmas music. This is where buildings are supposed to be that you cannot see. Alright. The fuck show.
Fuck show.